Well, hey guys, Louie here, and welcome to the weekend. I'm glad we made it. A wild and woolly week for precious metals, but this is about a pickup I made. So I was watching the Junius Maltby channel, and then this happened. So maybe you saw that video where Junius Maltby's wife was reading a Mexican article, it was actually in Spanish, about how the Mexican government could be, now I think this is speculation, not fact, so keep that in mind, but how the Mexican government could be withholding its gold. They didn't mention silver. And because the peso is devaluing so quickly that perhaps they would rather have their gold than the devalued peso equivalent of that gold. And the upshot of the article was that you could find it in the open market, but at a different exchange rate than the U.S. dollar to Mexican peso exchange rate. So I took it upon myself to, I love a good story. I love a good hunt. And I have never ever bought a gold Libertad, but that's what these are. And I bought these after I looked on the open market. Of course, the Libs have not come out for 2020. I expected them last week and they haven't shown yet, so we're still waiting on those, silver and gold. And looked around, and you know what? I couldn't find a single modern Libertad, the refreshed version, in gold anywhere at any of the major retailers. There were just a scant few on eBay, and that's where I picked these up. I picked these up on eBay. I'll put the link in the listing if you want to take a look. Found a couple of proofs in Canada at thecoinshop.ca, and I almost bought one of those, but I like the 1/4 ounce format better than the 1 ounce. But you could check there. So again, this is pure speculation, and this is taking a flyer on the fact that Mexican gold could go extinct, right? Okay, that's hyperbole for you, but if they don't wind up releasing the 2020s or something dramatic happens to the peso and the production of gold and silver, I want to be all over that. And I am with the silver Libertads, and that is just paying off fantastic. But nonetheless, these are the gold Libs, and let me show you what I picked up. I haven't looked at them yet. This box weighs, next to nothing, as you might think, but there are 3 1/4 ounce Libertads in here. And before I open these, I will tell you that I paid a premium. I believe these were about $570 each, so this order was a solid $1,700 out the door, no sales tax. And I think it was from Liberty Coin, still one of the only sellers on eBay to be selling gold Libertads. And again, I'm talking about the modern format, not the '80s, pre-'90s format. Okay, can you see that? Come on, Mexican gold. Oh, I'm so excited. Ah, there they are. 3 little babes in the woods. Sorry, my light is not great, but if I don't get these videos made early, they don't get made. Okay, so let's get into this. Might have to get some capsules for these instead of the flips, but that's okay. My gold stack is increasing rapidly, and this is at a premium, but still get the gold you can when you can. 1900, 1950, 1870. Gold is still definitely worth your attention. I still like silver better, and I've been buying that as well. I'll show you my other Mexican silver pickup in just a few days. Also hang around to the end of this video, And there is a smoking deal for silver eagles. Lots of reasons to buy eagles right now, but I'll show you that as well. But you came here for, well, I don't know why you came here, but whatever you did. There is the 1/4 ounce Libertad. Let me see what year this is. You can probably see it better than I can. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Of course, these are brilliant. Uncirculated. That's number 1. And a reputable seller as well. Again, I think it was Liberty Coin. 2019. Yeah, these are 2019s. I'll show you the mintages here with a screenshot of Wikipedia in just a second. I believe there were 2,000 of the 1/4 ounce Libs made. Only 2,000. That's all there are. And there are gold Libertad collectors. And I'll tell you, I'm not one of them, but man, have they made money on the gold Libertads. Proofs, BUs, fractionals. Check out what a 1/10 ounce Libertad, gold Libertad sells for. You'll fall out of your chair. And those of you that do this with gusto, you can chime in. But it takes a big bankroll to collect gold, and it's a nail biter when you sell it. You know, you want to send a $2,000 coin through the mail and have them leave it on somebody's doorstep and hope you get paid. So I have always avoided flipping gold, but nonetheless, and made a lot more money flipping silver than I probably would have flipping gold. But if there was an easy means of sale, I would be more into gold. But these are beautiful. These are beautiful. Okay, 1/4 onza, $9.99. Last time I checked, yeah. Or Oro Puro, 2019, LAY, $9.99. The Winged Victory. It would be nice to get a 1 ounce. I'm kind of jonesing for a 1 ounce. And honestly, the proofs and the reverse proofs, which are even lower mintages, which you can pick up in Canada if you like that one there. God, they are just beautiful. The one thing I don't like is since there are so few Libertads in the wild, a lot of them tend to get slabbed. And that's okay, but it kind of turns me off though if people are charging an extra $500, you know, for the slab, when all I really care about is the metal content and the collectability. You know, the grade is not on my radar anymore. It's not something I do. So there you go. I'll show you, if I haven't already, I'll show you those links to other stuff. So there's the gold Libs. I'm really happy with those. I'm going to tuck those away. And so they're a little cheaper today, but only by like $5 or something than what I paid. So with gold even going down 50, $75, these haven't gone down but a fraction. And people have paid much more than $5.75. And you'll see they carry good appreciation for the collectors that want to complete their set. So I think those are just a long-term hold, and they'll always be the precious metal content at $5.70. That puts me at about $2,300, if my math was right, about $2,300 per ounce equivalent. So that is you know, $400 or $500 premium per ounce. Nonetheless, I think that may be a good collector buy and hold. In regard to the market, what can I say? You know, I didn't think it would crack 24, but we had this 10% plus market plunge, kind of a grinding lower, lower, lower. You know, thank God I don't have just money in the stock market sitting to be drawn down like that. I am doing some swing trading, and I'm carefully hedged on that, so only took a small loss, even though I have silver and gold and miners in that portfolio. But gold still retains kind of a bullish formation. Silver is in no man's land again, but did you notice that with the market crashing and the dollar skyrocketing, I mean skyrocketing, they couldn't or wouldn't smack silver? And I really thought they would. I thought we could get a further push down, but there were no sellers. No sellers for silver in the midst of, I mean, some of the stocks were going down 5, 10, 15% in a day, especially in the technology sector. So, and then of course, Bitcoin, the distant half cousin to gold, has been breaking out in a stupendous way. Clearly, may push back and forth between 13 and 10,000, but clearly headed back to 20,000. So I think gold is watching that as well. With amazement, how the youngins are getting over on the old guys here, but good for them. And I sold my Bitcoin position when it went down, but might have to buy some back. Anyway, the gold to silver ratio I think is in the oh shoot, is it in the 80s? Is it 80s again? 80. I'm waiting for 90 to 1 to convert my gold, my commemoratives, back to silver. But I don't know if they couldn't push silver down much below 24 last week. I don't know how they're going to do it in the future. So let me show you this deal. I gotta buy some of these as well, although I'm exceeding my budget by a lot. But $26 BU American Eagles. Now anybody who complains about that is waiting for somebody to come up and just hand them silver for free. But yeah, unless you think we're headed back to 19, and then God bless, and you can wait for that. But the spot price is lower, and it was $1 lower, or pretty close to $1 over during trading, or maybe 50 cents, I'm not sure. But we've got a low spot price in silver and gold, and we've got low premiums. Okay, low spot, low premiums. If you're waiting, then I think that's a pretty good invitation, but I'll leave that up to you because there are no guarantees in precious metals. You guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.